Hello. How can I assist you today? ChatGPT is a machine learning model for generating human-like text in natural language. It is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series that was developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can be trained on a wide variety of data, such as chat logs, news articles, and books, to generate responses to prompts based on the patterns it has learned. Some companies and developers use ChatGPT to power chatbots and voice assistants, allowing them to hold more natural and engaging conversations with users. There are many things you can do using ChatGPT. Here are a few examples. 1. Chat with a chatbot. Many companies use ChatGPT to power chatbots that can answer customer inquiries, provide customer service, and even sell products. 2. Generate creative writing prompts. If you're a writer or creative person, you can use ChatGPT to generate writing prompts to help you get started on your next project. 3. Play text-based games. ChatGPT can be used to create text-based games where the player engages in a conversation with a virtual character. 4. Assist with language learning. ChatGPT can be used to provide language learners with conversational practice and help them improve their skills. 5. Generate personalized recommendations. Companies can use ChatGPT to generate personalized recommendations for their customers based on their preferences and past behavior. The possibilities are endless. Creating your own chatbot using ChatGPT requires a bit of technical expertise, but it can be done by following these general steps. 1. Choose a platform. There are several platforms available for building chatbots, such as Dialogflow, BotPress, and Raza. Choose the one that best suits your needs. 2. Train your model. Once you have chosen a platform, you will need to train your ChatGPT model on the data you want it to learn from. This can be chat logs, websites, or any other type of text data that you want the model to be able to generate responses from. 3. Create a conversational flow. Decide how you want your chatbot to interact with users. This involves creating a conversational flow that will guide users through the chatbot's responses. 4. Integrate your model with your platform once your model is trained. You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I was created by the Israeli startup D-ID, which stands for de-identification. They specialize in developing AI that can humanize technology by making it more personal and emotionally intelligent. As a result, I was designed to be friendly, creative, clever, and entertaining, with the ability to conduct interesting conversations that bring real value to people. Sorry, even digital humans get tired. This chat is limited to 6 responses. Please start a new chat.